About 70 kilometers southeast of Bern lays the valley of Lauterbrunnen in Switzerland. Regarded as one of the most beautiful valleys in Europe, it is tucked away in the Bernese Oberland of the Swiss Alps. The German word Lauterbrunnen means many springs, or more accurately, loud springs. The name is derived from 72 thundering waterfalls that gush down into the valley from the vertical cliff faces, some of which are several hundred meters high. About a kilometer in width, this valley is one of the deepest in the Alpine chain, especially when compared with the height of the mountains that rise directly on either side. The Lauterbrunnen Valley lies between gigantic rock faces and mountain peaks, which sometimes rise perpendicularly to heights of 300 meters. Besides its waterfalls, the Lauterbrunnen Valley is perfect for hikes, paragliding or skydiving. At the bottom, you will find the village of Lauterbrunnen, nestled between towering limestone precipices and surrounded on three sides by the Eger, Monk and Jungfrau mountains. The valley extends south and then turns southwestwards from the village to form a U shape and is comprised of the small towns of Wengen, Murren, Gimmelwald, Steckelberg and Eisenfluh. This perfect combo of majestic water wonders, the towering steep rock walls and the Alps' magical charm is the reason why Lauterbrunnen became a UNESCO World Natural Heritage Site in 2001. Some of the waterfalls that you shouldn't miss here are Staubach Falls. The landmark of Lauterbrunnen, Staubach Falls is situated less than a kilometer from the village of Lauterbrunnen. It is one of Europe's highest free-falling waterfalls as the height of the cascade is between 800 and 900 feet, formed of a single unbroken fall. Trummelbach Falls. Hidden behind a mountain consisting of a series of 10 glacier-fed waterfalls, Trummelbach Falls is another spectacular natural phenomenon. On hot summer days and after heavy thunderstorms, it carries up to 20,000 liters of water per second through the narrow gorge. Murrenbach Falls. Just outside Lauterbrunnen, you will find the Murrenbach Falls in Steckelberg. From a height of 417 meters above Murrenfluh, the water falls in 5 cascades. It is also one of the tallest falls in Switzerland and is uninterrupted throughout the year. Reichenbach Falls. For Sherlock fans, a visit to the nearby Reichenbach waterfalls is a must, as this is where the confrontation between Holmes and his archenemy Professor Moriarty took place. The falls are located near Meiringen in the Bernese Oberland region. On the Reichenbach stream, they have a total drop of 250 meters. Staubach Fall. At the right side of the Lauterbrunnen Valley, you will find Staubach Fall. Fed by the river Staubach and the Silberhorn Glacier, it cascades down over multiple stages. Its total height is between 300 to 500 meters. Spaceback Fall. Also near the village Lauterbrunnen, you will find Spaceback Fall. Fed with melted snow from the mountains, it falls from a height of 290 meters in a single leap. Don't forget to like this video and do tell us in the comment section about your experiences. Also, subscribe to Travel Earth and press the bell icon for more such videos.